Or like a
All the other kids and a pump up shotgun gonna kill and kill your fucking ass.
That's rude. That's rude.
wow.
Well, it's quite rude how you're gonna kill my fucking ass. That's my ass, man. Come on, I used it as the pooper.
Oh, he's got a chair. That's good. That's good.
That seems like a sign of traitorism.
Holy shit, there's a body, man. There's a body.
Where?
It's Young, he just killed that guy.
No, he's dying, he's dying. He's a killer.
Okay.
No, it's not me!
Okay!
Fuck.
Not only did I have my fun with her body, I also blew my
We got all the chairs we need for a picnic now. Now we need some fruit.
Fuck. Ah, time to be fruit. Everyone go to the...
I'll get some fruit along with a side of justice.
Hey.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. You're fucking in public. Thanks a lot, dude. He must not fucking like you. Well, he doesn't do what you fucking say.
I don't know where you live, but I bet you can talk any way you want.
You know that America, like, not awesome. Well, it's not from fucking America, so it's fuck off. Are you talking about communist Russia?
But this server is in America.
He doesn't
Give a
Stay
shit.
here. Stay here.
Zero's man.
What I'm trying to say is an officer in America would tell you to fuck off. Fucking cunt. Fucking cunt.
Zero's a big crybaby.
Communist are you?
I don't think
That's fucking great.
Cause I'm gonna set the world on fire. Yeah, I'm young.
Young and innocent. COD is for moron. Me and Murasaki are hanging out right now.
Doctor, I need help. Doctor, I need help. I need help. I'm injured.
It's young. It's young. Go after him.
Go after me?
Guys, it's young.
No it isn't, I'm fun.
That's detective.
What are you doing with the props in there? Detective, what are you doing? Let the props they live.
So let's set you on fire, so you can burn brighter, and shit me.
Somebody just got wasted right here.
Hahaha. Whoa, YOLO. Why?
Fuck!
DMing by the way, so kill me.
Batman. Oh my god, Batman.
Get that thing away from me. Young's a traitor.
Me? Why?
Tried to blow me up.
Bullshit. You try to blow me up. You try to blow me up.